welcome to YouTrip podcast. We are coming to you live from Sate 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation with one of our travel agents today to understand what really is shaping the travel industry this year. Let's get started. So, to start us off, could you introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
So my name is Akash and I operate in Brand Plan My Chutti. So we are the healers of uh, every problem of your life. Uh, we actually heal. Um, we give those therapies which are not even listed in the books and rejuvenate everyone's lives through travel. And I have an office in Greater Noida, Pari Chowk.
Okay. So, with everything that is going digital these days, why do you think a client should still choose travel agents?
So, digital gives you an visibility as well as a confusion. So, when we think of the digital, yes, we do get number of listed properties, those who are on other online platforms, and as well as on the same time, it gives you a confusion. There's a transparency and there's a confusion. So, you lack the travel advice. You might have heard in 10-15 years back, there used to be books written on medical 15 रुपए में डॉक्टर बने
Okay.
and then you treat yourself and then get allergic to some of the medicines because only an expert of that industry gives you the best treatment. So I'm not saying going digital is bad. That gives you more visibility and transparency, so it reduces the chances of cheating, but on the same time it increases the confusion.
Okay.
So what we do is we don't just book hotels and everything. We are not just service providers, but are the best consultants because we do have the contractings with the hotels and we deal professionally. So to make the experience best for the guest.
Okay. So, in one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
So the toughest part of being in the travel industry is it's a luxurious segment, and when we talk about the luxurious segment, any ups and downs, the travel segment gets affected at first. Last year, we have seen around 4 5 months, more than 4 5 months, which were very unstable due to multiple factors, which resulted in a great business loss.
Okay. So, let's lighten it up a little with a quick rapid fire question round where I would ask you to keep the answers short, crisp, and concise. All
Sure.
right, let's start. Budget clients, do you think they're a blessing or are they a stress test?
Blessings.
Okay. According to you, what will be the most happening destination this year?
Most happening destination in 2026, Vietnam.
Okay. What is the most common dialogue you hear from your clients?
Rates high हैं.
Okay. Choose one. Booking via online portals or building personal relationships with travel companies.
Building personal relations.
Okay. If you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
Kashmir.
Okay. So, which is that one destination that you could sell forever?
Kashmir.
Okay. Are clients choosing experiences over luxury?
Yes.
Okay. What does good service mean to you?
So there's earlier there was used to be a concept of good service and good quality products back in 1970s, 1980s, and then quality and service was the point focus. But right now, if you talk about good service, it's a it's not a USP, it's a compulsion for everyone. So and when we count good service, the travel agent should be solving 24 cross 7 problems if they are current, if they come from up comfort. So that is one of the main issues, solving the problems on time and handling them patiently. So yes, these are the some good traits of good service.
Okay. Now, coming back to the business side of things, what is your travel business best known for?
So our travel business is best known for the consultancy, and amongst the destination, Kashmir is one of the most popular destination because I love Kashmir, so I promote it very much. And
Okay.
apart from that, we deal in international, and so one of the other most prominent destinations is Andaman and Bali, which
Okay. What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
we deal in most of the South Asian destinations, Europe, Dubai, and all domestic.
Okay. Why do your clients keep coming back to you for repeated bookings?
Because they get value for money.
Okay. What is the most unique client request you've received so far?
Most unique request. There are multiple things. Not actually, I'm not able to differentiate because
No
that's a
worries.
very difficult question. Every client comes in with a different
No worries. What is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
underrated struggle. The most underrated struggle which I feel is getting a proper sleep.
Okay. So now it's time to talk about industry realities. What is the one thing that online portals can never replace?
Online portals can never replace personal relations.
Okay. What is the biggest change you've seen in today's Indian traveler?
So Indian travelers are now started choosing the experience over the explorations. They are more interested now. People have actually trying to spare one day for shopping, and they are willing to spend. So their spending capacities have increased, and they are now interested to travel more.
Okay. Where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
So 5 years from now, we will be a great combination. We will be offering multiple things. We are trying to inculcate AI based solutions for the travel agents. So right now already have some applications. So those person who do feel that we want to book ourselves. So we do have the applications for them. We are one of those rare travel agents, those who are offering the application based solutions. Now we are integrating AI into it, and so that they can actually customize their own itineraries uh, without any human intervention. That is the market need, but again I will stick to my previous words that it will definitely increase some of the confusion, so we will be there for the help. So we are trying to design in some of those.
Okay. If an agent wants to grow in the industry, what is one thing that they should fix?
So basically they should focus on one of the destinations, and they should work properly on that destination, because client gives money not just because of they couldn't travel. They gives you because of their confidence, so that you will be available and you're not guiding them on the wrong way.
Of course, makes sense. Now, in just one word, why should someone book with your company?
Because I'll this is in continuation to the previous answer. We are expert in multiple regions: Kashmir, Andaman, Bali. We know each and every bit of that, and in the pilgrimage tours also. So we are the specialist of those, and we give the best advices. We do not missell something. So that is the reason people should at least have a query with us. Selling will automatically happen.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of this journey, what would you tell him?
My journey was a complete different. It started accidentally, so I wouldn't be able to complete comment on it because it was not intentional.
Okay.
But my first reaction, which I called, was कि my friend had a panic attack. So here is business savvy. We will do business and we will have a good amount of money. So that is the first thing.
Okay. So now, before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for the travel agents watching this.
Travel agents watching this. Okay, so if it is for travel agents, get into touch with Utrip. Uh, as I said, I have started this journey accidentally, but Utrip helped me to accelerate this, and the way I have grown, it's amazing. When I look into the previous 2 years of my journey, it was fantastic, and the support from Utrip, it was amazing. So if this is for travel agents, go for it. That's my secret of growing.
All right. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had a great time, and I hope that the viewers who are watching this, especially those in the travel industry, they will definitely gain something meaningful, something insightful from our discussion here at Sate 26. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.